We're here at Stockroom today, hearing from employers about what young people can expect from their world of work.
What about if they're starting off with something like work experience for the first time?
Work experience is exactly that. It's an experience. It's all about asking questions, having that experience, and really just understanding the ins and outs of a job.
Get involved with as much as possible. So the point of work experience is obviously to do some shadowing, to ask questions, to try new things, but there'll also be the opportunity for you to get stuck in as well. Don't be afraid to do that. You're not going to be expected to know everything straight away, but give it a try once you're there.
Get involved, ask a million questions.
Be yourself and just embrace the atmosphere.
Take every opportunity that comes your way, because there will be internal opportunities flying around the department. Always make yourself available. Try and take the opportunity.
Don't just sit with one individual the whole time. Try and speak to all the different individuals in that team.
Just all the basics. Be early, turn up, be smart, be prepared to ask questions. People want to help you, and follow up with the people that you've worked with. So ask them for a reference at the end, ask them for something that will be of use to you.
I would say invite a different colleague to lunch with you every day while you're there. Somebody very senior, for example, or someone very junior, so that you can learn from them and maybe hear a bit more about their journey as well.
Be honest and open about what you like doing, what you don't like doing, but maybe being clear about, understanding what they want to get out of that week's work experience or those 2 weeks.
There's so many different opportunities, so many different things that you can get involved with. So just speak up and say, I want to learn more about that, and we'll make it happen.